The opening contest this afternoon for SSW Headlock on Hunger 8 is a 6-man match. And it is a SSW Lightning Division rankings match. Your referee for this match is SSW Senior Referee Mike Fly. And just so you all know, as stated, it is elimination format and also tag team, where 2 competitors will be in the ring, while 1, 2, 3, 4 wrestlers are on the apron waiting to be tagged in. The last man standing is the winner and advances 1 step closer to the SSW Lightning Division Championship. Woo. Introducing to you first, he hails from Wilmington, Illinois, and weighs in at 310 pounds. Here is Cousin Eddie.
I ain't got much, but that's the way it goes. I'm a failure, yeah, maybe so. I just live my life, now you call it a trend. But I was in this way to the very end. White trash, that be the life for me. White trash, that's all I ever be. White trash, that be the life for me. White trash, that's all I ever be. It's a white trash, your house party crash. I don't wanna mess with me. I'm pulling up to the party on the weekend. Singing what I'm doing, big B.
The second competitor in the match weighs in at 236 pounds, and he hails from anywhere but Kenosha. Here is Jason Trailer Parks.
Everybody money, I think racist jokes are funny. I'm a low life. I got a dirty mind to cut 'em out. I'm no time, I'm going out to go wide. 'Cause I'm a low life. I'm a low life. I got kids I never seen, and then I was 17. I'm a low life.
The third competitor hails from uncharted waters and weighs in at 205 pounds. Here is Seaman.
Kenosha, the Seaman is here!
The fourth competitor weighs in at question mark and hails from parts unknown. Here is the Masked Stretcher. The fifth competitor hails from Carpentersville, Illinois, and weighs in at 194 pounds. Here is Jack Carpenter.
Come on, Kenosha!
competitor
Why does he have a hammer?
hails from Iran. And weighs in at 210 pounds. Here is MILAD ACKBAR.
I want 10 ropes. Who's fighting? Oh, this guy. You shut your pie hole! You shut up! I said shut up! Hey, you want to go get your hammer? One, I need it. Aim for the rest. Let's see. Let's see. Big guy. Stay with me. You shut up. No. Don't start that. Take this guy in? Yeah, right. Of course, the sea people's a man, the sea man. Hey! Hey, I said who wants to fight. You wanted to walk around in a circle. I didn't realize everybody was afraid of me. It's not about being afraid. This is strategy. You and me? Look at all big guys. No. Hey! I don't know. Keep on quiet. You got this kid. You got him, baby. You got him, baby. What is this nonsense? I just got done washing my car. Give him a break. We're ready now. They want you in here. What is this, Ring of Honor? Shut up! Yeah, you better not. Sir, it's just a wrist lock. Come on! Pay attention! You're in the middle of a match! No, I can't! Get the foot on the rope! Foot on the rope! What are they doing? All right. Want in now? Me? Rick, they come out of the ring. Come on, Jack, hang in there. That's kind of weird. Who are you abusing children? Hey, I'll take it. Whoa, whoa. 1, 2.
There you go, Carpenter. There you go. Oh.
Get back in there, C-Man. Make it submit.
Oh, there you go.
That's a wrestler right there, man.
We figured out where you are.
There you go, guys. Hey, good clean counter wrestling. I like seeing this.
This is not clean wrestling.
Hey, you shut your pie hole.
I'll punch you in the face too.
You shut up too before I come over there and make you shut up.
I'll make you shut up.
Hey, oh, hey. Very nice. Oh, how you got one?
There's gotta be something to live about that.
Look at that. Turn it into a cross. Flip it around.
There you go. Oh, powering out. There we are.
There, get the arm in it. You want the arm in it?
There you go. 1, 2. That guy's big.
Hey, you talking? Hey, you talking to?
Muscle Man, here. Let me take this.
Muscle man, really?
I don't know his name. I don't need no cheap shots. Keep it out. You okay, sir? You ready to go?
What do you mean you don't need cheap shots? That's legal. You got 5 seconds. I don't like this. Oh, come on. You've already done that.
Tag in the hillbilly.
Take a knee.
Stretcher, you better fast before the C-Man gets all over.
Jesus!
There we go, baby.
Sick of this.
elimination.
I don't like this guy. Somebody switching seats.
Come on. Oh no, look out, Carpenter, look out!
Jack Carpenter has been eliminated.
Yeah, keep on talking, buddy. Keep on talking. All right, got the rope, bro. Got the rope.
Some people get my
There you go. Stretch him out, stretch him. Oh, that's gotta bust his spine.
Are you friggin' king? Are you friggin' king?
Come on, stretch him.
Friggin' ass!
Why don't you hit him with another one?
Why don't you make like a tree and get out of here?
You guys are related.
There you go, Treasure.
I'm related to everybody, so.
There it is!
Jason has been eliminated.
That's how you get on someone.
Oh, jeez. Stealing your moves. There you go, stretch.
You got his shoulder up. It's only two. That was fast. That was good, ref. You're legitimate call.
Yeah, nobody wins with a headbutt.
The Max Stretcher has been eliminated.
I don't know about the winner.
There's your booger.
Step charge! Fisherman C-Plex!
USA! 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 USA!
It's a slap.
Eddie, you can be nice and fresh. You haven't even been around, Eddie. Show him.
Go to sleep with the fishes!
MILAD ACKBAR has been eliminated.
Easy maker! Neck breaker!